Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today we'll be learning about sorting and organizing lists. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the sort method, the reverse method, and the key equal myfunction value or parameter. Now we'll be looking at the default settings for the sort method. Here I have a list of letters as well as a list of numerics. Now you can simply put letters dot sort. Don't forget the parentheses, numerics dot source, and you can print them both out. And those sort alphabetically, numerically, and ascending. Okay, so it goes smallest to largest, and that is the default of the sort method. Well, we have a reverse equals true parameters for the sort method over here. Using the same two lists, we can put letters dot source, reverse equals to true. Very simple concept. Reverse is true, it will reverse the whole thing, so it goes from largest to smallest, alphabetically and numerically. Now, another thing is that you can customize your sort function using key equal function. Now, obviously, with function being in the parameter, you do have to write your own function. Here I have def myfunction, and we'll pass the argument of n. Return absolute n minus 50. And I have a list of numbers with the sort method passing the parameters key equal myfunction. Now, what you will get from this is that it will sort the numbers closest to 50 first, and then the ones that are further away from 50. So it's sorting based on the distance closest to 50 and then furthest to 50. Next up, we'll work with case insensitivity. All capital letters are sorted before lowercase ones, so that means that capital letters have a higher precedence. But this sorting can sort of be unexpected based on the values that we're giving the sort method. Now I have the list of letters A, B, and C, all different cases. It chooses the same. Some are lowercase, some are uppercase. Now you can just simply use dot source. It's sort of the default property of the sort methods. You don't need to specify anything further. Now, if you want to make the process more precise instead of the unexpected results that come with the default sorting of the sort method, you can use a function using string.lower as a key function. Chooses equals to the same list that we've seen before. We're just passing key equals string lower to sort. We're going to see what this does in Visual Studio Code in a bit. So if you're up to guessing what this will return, I suggest that you keep your guess in your mind and you see whether or not you're correct later. Last but not least, reverse order, as simple as anything that we've seen before. It just simply reverses the occurring sort in order. So whatever order that you have going on, it simply reverses all of that. And you can do that with dot reverse and parentheses. No need for any extra stuff. Letters equals to A, C, D, E, and then F. We have numerics, which can equate to any random number that you fancy, 100, 150. And then cases includes upper, lower, up, and then low. Now let's sort the letters. Letters dot sort. Then we'll print it after we sort. Numerics dot sort. Print numerics. Cases, right? Cases sort print cases. Let's go down here and let's have different types of sorting. Cases dot sort. Key equals to string lower. Then print cases. Letters dot reverse. So we're showcasing all of them. Print letters. Numerics dot sort reverse equals to the Boolean value of true. Print numerics. Next up, we're going to have a function. Def my function with parameter n return abs n minus 20. So we're using 20 as a base. Numerics dot sort, where you're reusing list instead of creating a new one. My function print numerics. Since I save automatically, I already set up to do that. If you don't forget to contrast the save, and then let's run it. So first off, we have sorting of the letters. So we have A, C, D, E, F, alphabetical, the same with numerics. And for cases, it's simply group uppercase with uppercase and lowercase with lowercase. Now, when we go with string.lower for cases, we go with lowercases first and then uppercases later. Okay, complete reverse. Now with letter reverse, we also reversed it alphabetically, and the same goes with the numerics. You can see that they're polar opposite. Now with the function over here, whichever is closest to 20 gets listed first, which is 36. You only need 16 more to get to 36, but you need 19 more to go from 1 to 20, okay? And just moves on like that. Thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be copying a list, so I hope that you tune in to check that out. Learn today, better tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.